We want to be able to see what the Riverside experience has been able to either do or not do with your mind. Some of you have been here from the beginning, so that's one group. There's one group who came to me midway, that's another group. And there's a whole lot of our mutual. One I'm going to do is take you back to time to see how you have learned what you have learned. So I would like for us to first put together what we call the languages of learning. Just all the languages of learning that we have been part of, or that you have been part of.
Video.
PowerPoint presentation.
Body interaction.
Expert in design.
Somebody has said reflection.
Introspection letters.
That we know reflection. We know reflection. Oh, we made a blog.
Introspection.
Kirvan made a blog. Hindi mein hota.
Identity.
Designing curriculum.
All right. So this can go on. So just let's take a quick cut. 1, 2, 3, 65. Grade 1. What did y'all remember that we did in grade 1? Can you go back? Camouflage. Sin printed.
The digestive system, that pipe experiment.
What unit do you remember that you did?
The restless, no, that's great.
The skeleton system, we made the dupatta thing.
And how we made a kid to explain it to others.
Yeah. Circulatory system here.
One of the things.
We made book covers for our detective book.
Yes, that was in grade 4.
Five. Grade 7 we had the eyes. We made our own eyes.
You just saw children remembering what they did since grade 1, right? What I'd love for you all also to be able to do is to do the same exercise. That you can, in your own schooling, go back to that first and second and third and try to recall what all you all did. And whatever comes, if you can just put it down, that would be wonderful for us. Okay, Raghav and Adi, you come to.
Theoretically, it never worked with us.
Do you remember the books I used to teach you?
Yeah, those
ones with flip books.
Flip books,
Yeah.
right? So there was a pop-up book.
Yeah.
Marie Biscuit experiment, you remember? You remember the pop-up book. What else do you remember the digestive system that we did tonight?
With all the organs, we try to connect it with our daily things, and we try to understand. When you folded the dupatta and you got the intestines, you like
It's as long as the...
But actually,
Frog unit, what do you all
sticky
remember? Why do you remember the sticky tongue?
That was because Frog was mainly known for the catching the flies. And the
Okay.
main property was this.
and we didn't relate it to something. The sticky tongue was,
We had actually made those sticky
Yeah.
tongues. We were going all around the school, jumping around.
and it was coming out, and then there was Fevicol or something, and then we used to
Yeah.
So we tried to make it. The frog.
We were
Did
jumping
we do-
like frogs, remember?
Yeah.
We were like going through over the whole school jumping.
So you used your body.
We were always there. We were always there to ask you why are we doing it. There was always a reason behind we did anything. So that's always been there.
What were the other things that you
Etching,
remember?
I cannot forget etching because I still remember we were
The
sitting.
bird.
There was the whole garden
There,
there.
there.
We were sitting there exactly.
You drew all birds,
Yes.
and then we had to color it, and then black after
Black,
that.
yeah.
All pastels.
And then remove the...
And then
the
edge with the
edge.
toothpick. And you were doing it with us. For the egg thing also. You asked us to crumple the
Remember the
paper
egg?
and everything, and you asked us to keep the egg, and you make. Yeah, so we had to think a lot for that.
That was a Debono exercise.
Yeah. What are the ways you enjoyed learning?
Illustrations and
We always hands-on. Mixed media actually.
those Legos.
Which space do you remember being most...
Your house.
It was all lively, man. Like we
I
weren't
still
ever
remember the
restricted
photo
or
that we had
nothing.
clicked exactly here when we were the first team.
Yeah.
So what is it that you remember? How come you did not forget?
I remember each and everything.
And we won't forget things that we didn't relate to. We related to all this because this is the way we learned. And if we forget this, that means we forget ABCD and 1, 2, 3.
It was not easy. None of it was easy, right? So how did
But then we weren't ever told it is that time.
From
Every
the
time
beginning, we had this thing, the I can. This is right now we've just come up with because of DFC. But within our heads, it was always because of you, because of the space. We had this that yes, we can.
But then trust on you also that you won't just make us do anything.
But you are saying that these kind of ideas, the fact that you get your body to be part of the learning, you get multiple ways to do it, relationships should continue to be built, trust has to be an important factor, and so these allow us to remember and allow us to find information into a long term.
Yeah.
Word of the day.
Oh yes.
Thought of the day.
Thought of the day, I remember.
Assemblies. We had lab, which was really strict, and we were not allowed to speak a single word.
Weekly test on every Saturday we had.
So punishments.
Punishment.
The video was strict.
Think of that. Oh wait,
The rounds of the ground.
Cleaning the ground if you're not wearing the proper uniform.
nobody argued with the teacher.
Yeah, if you do, you're thrown out.
Yeah.
Even
if
you're right.
So what can you tell for educators if they are looking at this and saying that how do students learn?
As much as we get involved, I think that helps us learn. Take out that distance. Because what I remember also is that when we did all of this, the teachers were always doing it with us. The teacher should be excited about it.
Yeah.
Because what I've noticed is that whenever we've done immune system or circulatory system, whatever language learning was, you make it sound very exciting. And it's not that, okay, session 30 minutes over, session close, let's go. If need to be continued, it need to be continued because the energy was really there in that session.
When the process was happening, we were not spectating it, but then we were part of it, and then we were going through everything that was happening.
We had a voice. We always had a voice where you were not the one who was telling us. We were the one who was suggesting things.
Seeing all these people, they remember what they did in grade 1, they remember what they did in grade 5, they remember everything. But personally, when I was sitting there, I could not recall what I did in grade 1, what I did in grade 5, or what I did in grade 2. And then we would sing prayers before lunch. Nobody actually was into it. We were just there, and because we were told to, we had to do it.
Brain has plasticity and it will shape only based on experiences. Because we've had these experiences, our brain has hardwired those connections, and that's why I remember all of this.
So you're talking about relationships, you're talking about trust, the excitement, to be involvement, the involvement that you talked a lot about, relevance and community.
Whether the multiple language learning, relationships, trust and challenge can actually make learning stay long term. And that's why we wanted to have the new children to say, you've also spent 10 years in a school, and if you're telling me that you didn't remember anything but just the lab or the AV room, then it's telling us educators that we need to wake up to the fact that we really need to shift the way we are in the class to make sure that you learn.